Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I freshen up all my white pieces. So I have some satin Rustoleum 2x ultra coverage, and I have my Rustoleum nozzle, which allows you not to use as much paint. So we're going to be freshening up these pieces. I know to the camera they may look okay, but when you zoom in and get close from the move and just over time touching dust and all that stuff, they begin to look a little dingy and like cream and not bright white. So I'm going to be freshening these up, and then I'm going to show you where all these are placed in my home. It's a couple you can't see. Hold on, let's get back. We have that nice vase, which, and this one too needs a real good freshener. And this one, see how on the other side it's like really bad. So yeah, we're gonna freshen all these up along with my living room coffee table base, which has got a lot of scratches and nicks and looks dingy from the move. So we're gonna freshen that up as well. I am into saving my coins and investing them into things that really matter. So I like to freshen up, use secondhand things, and show people how to do the same thing. So with that being said, most people are like, oh, it's dingy, it's dirty, and then they'll want to replace it. But if you freshen it up, it'll bring new life back to it, and it only takes some spray paint. So we're going to do that today, show you how I freshen up everything, and then I'm going to place everything back where it goes. And let's zoom in on this table. This table is really dingy. It has marks, and because it's glass on the top, I definitely want to make sure that's nice and bright white. So let's get into the video. Make sure when you are spray painting that it is at least 50 degrees outside. Now the sun is shining really bright, and I was gonna go on my deck and spray paint, but it's only 42 degrees, guys. I was so excited, but I don't know. I might go in the basement. We don't know. So, or maybe I'll wait a couple more hours till it get warmer, because it's supposed to be about 60 degrees. So yeah, I might have to wait. But anywho, you guys will see it, and you'll see the freshen up, and then you'll see how I implement these items back into my home. These here, I'm gonna do a matte paint. When I got these, they already had these little imperfections, and I really don't like it. So yeah, I'm going to get some matte paint for these, and I just wanted to zoom in more on these so you can see what I mean by the imperfections and how they look. And yeah, so I'm just gonna redo all of these. So just stay tuned, guys. So all the white is done, and it's drying. All the pieces. These pieces are going to be black, so that's going to be black. These are going to be black as well. I'm using the satin crayon black for that. Getting ready to redo this. I had this for years, and I never hung it up. I just took it out the plastic, but it's like damaged, and this came from IKEA, and I had a bar cart some years ago that I refurbished, and I didn't really need this, but now I'm gonna put this right in this corner and probably have a couple bottles of wine in it, and I think I'm gonna do it with this color. So I think I'm gonna go with a satin. Being that it's metal, I don't wanna go flat. I would love the flat, but I think that touching it, and you know, because it's gonna have liquids, more bottles in it, I think I wanna do something that's a little bit more easier to wipe off if need be. So I'm gonna go with a satin. All right, so there it is, and I'm gonna let it dry and hang it up so you can see it. So this is the thing I got from Goodwill. I'm gonna do this as well. That is now done. I also did this as well. All the black stuff is done. It looks shiny because it's drying, but that's actually flat, so it's gonna look better. And that, I love the way this look is gonna look so pretty with the other one, and you'll see that what I'm doing with this. And that's the thingy from the Goodwill. And then the wine rack is over there drying. So once these dry, they're coming in the house. All right, guys, so it is the next day, and I'm gonna go through and share with you all of the items that I freshened up and how they look. So we have these vases. I did one in black. They both used to be white. And I've had these I literally had these since 2008. And a lot of the things that I get are through the projects that I do for my clients, because I am an interior designer. So yeah, I painted these several times. I didn't want them both white. I wanted the contrasting black and white. So there's the black one, there's the white one. Here's this pot that has been freshened up as well. That looks so gorgeous now, and it pops in the green and black and white. Looks amazing. Then we have these candle holders here that look amazing as well, and they are nice and fresh and white. Then we have the coffee table that I finished, and it is now bright white and pretty again, and I got all of the markings and all that craziness off of it. So yeah, these were the items that were lime green, and they used to be in my living room. They were lime green, and I had these white vases in them. I freshened the white up, and I changed the lime green to, I'm sorry if it looks dark, to a black, and that's a satin black. I also freshened these up. These were brass, and I made them black because I'm gonna put plants in them like they used to. They actually came with cement pots, but one broke, so yeah. I'm gonna put some different pots in them. These are my Goodwill find, and I freshened those up with a nice fresh coat of black, but I'm gonna be doing something else with those as well, and you wait and stay tuned for that. These babies were freshened up as well, and I love, love, love how much better they look with the new fresh white paint. This pot was freshened up as well, and I love the look of it. It looks much better, and the green pops off the white better. And that pot as well. All right guys, so that pot as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up and join my family by subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell for notifications when I load my videos. And if you have any questions, leave them below, or comments, leave them below, or you can email me at howtodiyandsaveadime@gmail.com, and I will see you guys later, gators.